The cosmos is vast, measured not in kilometers or miles, but in light years and lifetimes. For most of human history, we believed our solar system was isolated, closed, a celestial island adrift in a cosmic sea. But in recent years, the sky has proven otherwise. First came Oumuamua in 2017, a tumbling, unclassified object from the stars. Then, in 2019, 2I/Borisov, a comet unmistakably foreign. Now, in 2025, a third guest has arrived. Meet 3I/Atlas, a cosmic emissary from beyond our sun, older than Earth, stranger than expected, and carrying secrets from a world we'll never visit. This isn't just a comet. It's a messenger from another star system, bearing the fingerprints of an alien past. What do we know? What do we suspect? And what will we never know? Let's follow the trail of the galaxy's newest wanderer. On July 1st, 2025, at an observatory in Chile, something unusual flickered into view. The Atlas, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, survey telescope had been searching the sky for potentially hazardous objects when it spotted a strange, fast-moving speck, faster than any bound object should be. Cross-checking with older images revealed that this wasn't new. The object had been drifting across the sky since at least mid-June, unnoticed, its trajectory revealing something extraordinary. It was on a hyperbolic path, moving too fast to be held by the gravity of the sun. This wasn't a comet from the Oort cloud. This was something from outside the solar system. Once its speed and path were confirmed, the International Astronomical Union gave the object an official name, 3I/Atlas. The 3I indicates that this is the third interstellar object ever discovered. The Atlas honors the survey that first saw it. Its velocity? Over 130,000 miles per hour. Its size? Somewhere between 3.5 to 7 miles in diameter, far larger than 1I/Oumuamua or 2I/Borisov. Its trajectory is open, hyperbolic. It entered from the outskirts of the constellation Serpens, passed near the inner solar system, and will exit, never to return. Unlike 1I/Oumuamua, which arrived silently with no visible activity, 3I/Atlas displays a faint coma, a dusty shroud of material boiling away in sunlight. It behaves like a comet, but with a twist. The chemical signature is unlike any known comet. As the comet approached the sun, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, zeroed in on it, capturing infrared spectra of its emissions. And that's when things got stranger. The coma was dominated by carbon dioxide, CO2, not by water vapor. In fact, the CO2 to water ratio was 8 to 1, wildly different from any comet formed in our solar system. On Earth, and in most solar system comets, water dominates. Carbon dioxide is a distant second. So what happened here? Scientists proposed several possibilities. It may have formed in a CO2-rich zone of its home system, beyond the equivalent of our Kuiper belt. Or, over billions of years, the water could have sublimated away, leaving only the more resilient CO2 behind. Another theory suggests a crust of dust or rock suppressing water vapor, while CO2 escapes through cracks or vents. Whatever the case, one thing is clear. 3I/Atlas is chemically alien. Most interstellar objects we detect are impossible to trace. Our data arrives too late. But not this time. Thanks to a detailed motion model called the Otata-Hyoxford framework, scientists traced 3I/Atlas's entry vector backward, not to a specific star, but to a region of the galaxy. Its point of origin likely lies in the Milky Way's thick disk, a population of stars that is older, metal-poor, and more turbulent than the thin disk where our sun resides. That makes 3I/Atlas potentially older than the solar system. Its formation? Possibly 10 to 13 billion years ago, back when the galaxy was young and chaotic. This isn't just interstellar. This is intergalactic history wrapped in a comet. To appreciate the uniqueness of 3I/Atlas, consider its predecessors. 1I/Oumuamua, 2017, small, fast, strangely shaped. It lacked a coma and accelerated in a way that sparked alien probe speculation. It was too dry to be a comet, but didn't behave like an asteroid either. 2I/Borisov, 2019, a classic comet, full of water and cyanide gases. Chemically familiar, but from an unfamiliar place. 3I/Atlas, 2025, the largest, possibly oldest, and chemically most bizarre. Its CO2 dominance and origin in the galactic thick disk set it apart. Each object tells a different story. Each is a new data point in an emerging field, interstellar minor body science. Of course, when a new interstellar object arrives, so does speculation. Avi Loeb, Harvard astrophysicist and director of the Galileo project, has again stepped into the spotlight. He suggests the strange activity and CO2 brightness may not be purely natural, and leaves open the question, could it be artificial? Loeb famously made waves by suggesting 1I/Oumuamua was an alien probe. Now, with 3I/Atlas, he's urging further observation, not just to learn what it is, but to rule out what it might be. Mainstream scientists remain skeptical but intrigued. For now, 3I/Atlas remains classified as a comet, but its unique traits keep the debate alive. Because in science, the line between wild theory and paradigm shift is often blurry. We may not be able to land on 3I/Atlas, but we might observe it up close. Some of these craft may fly close enough to capture data, images, composition, or magnetic readings, offering a brief, precious glimpse before the object fades into darkness. Future missions like Comet Interceptor may one day be able to launch at a moment's notice, designed to intercept interstellar targets. We're not there yet, but 3I/Atlas is pushing us closer. 3I/Atlas is more than just a chunk of rock and ice. It's a messenger, a sample from another solar system, untouched by our sun's formation. It tells us how other planetary systems form. It helps test theories of star and planet evolution. It carries clues about cosmic chemistry and maybe even life's universal building blocks. When an object from another star system passes through ours, it's more than a scientific curiosity, it's a cosmic handshake. These objects are physical connections, silently bridging galactic distances. They are reminders that our sun is not unique, that planets form everywhere, and that the universe is dynamic, interconnected, and ever-evolving. 3I/Atlas, with its ancient chemistry and mysterious origin, embodies our longing to understand what lies beyond our solar neighborhood. It evokes awe, not because it threatens us, but because it invites us to look outward. These interstellar visitors rekindle a sense of cosmic humility. Our world, our species, our understanding, small, fragile, precious. They also spark hope that if nature can cast these stones across the void, maybe someday humanity can reciprocate, sending our own messages outward, perhaps even riding that same path. Right now, only 3 interstellar objects have been observed: Oumuamua, Borisov, and now Atlas. But estimates suggest that at any moment, thousands of these silent travelers may traverse our solar system, too small, too faint, or too fast for us to detect. With next-generation observatories like the Vera Rubin Observatory still under construction, capable of scanning the entire sky every few nights, detection rates could skyrocket. We might track hundreds of interstellar objects in the coming decades. Each newly discovered messenger expands our sample size, allowing us to map the diversity of galactic chemistry, formation conditions, and dynamics. Statistics will reveal how typical or rare our solar system truly is. Soon, rare visitor might become routine encounter. How could we tell if an interstellar object was artificial?